don't touch this recording. I request everyone not to touch this recording. Fine. Okay. So everyone has joined. I guess everyone is for everyone. I think I'm audible to you guys. If any kind of problem you have, you can just raise your hands here and you can tell me. Raise your hands here. You can just tell me if you hand it out. Okay. So fine. So today what shall we do? We shall start with our classes. That is basically this thing. What we call SAP first class will start today. So see what exactly we had done in yesterday's class. I told you about introduction of SAP, how SAP will work, and what are the configuration we have for SAP, and what are the things we have in SAP. Correct? I told you in SAP we have two different tools and system in one software. One is called as a functional tool, which is called as an implementation guide. The another tool is called as non-functional tool, which is called as an end user. Okay, functional tool implementation tool means what is for IT company, non-functional end user. Okay, I already showed you this thing by logging into the SAP. So SAP login is application here. So once I log on to the application, I will get like this screen over here. Then I need to log on to this. So once I log on to this, system will ask me client user ID and password. So I am giving my user ID, my client and my password I will give here. You can give your user ID and password, whatever you need, what Manica has given to you. Enter. So once you enter, you get one screen, SAP Easy Access SAP menu. So this screen, what you see, this is called as a end user screen. Is this end user screen? Okay, and there's another screen that will go for tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO, execute project. So this SPRO execute project is the where we create our customizing part will be done, configuration part. Double click on this and click on SAP reference IMG. So this will come SAP customizing implementation guide. So this screen is called SAP functional screen. A customizing screen is called. Okay, all the IT people who are there, they work under this screen. Clear? So our training start from this screen. So before starting the training, I want to tell you how many types of SAP projects you have in SAP. Okay, yesterday I told you we get a three type of client in SAP. In SAP we get three type of a client. One is called QA, it is called quality system. The another is called development system. The another is called PL, it is called process system. Okay, and the client number 100, 300 will be different depend upon the company. Who uses this quality system? High-end user testing and training, CTM core team member, development developer or consultant, the programmer people, PRD production, end user to postal live data. So this is the last what I told in last session. Now let us understand how many types of project SAP has. So typically any company work will be getting a 4 types of SAP project. Okay, the first and foremost project is called implementation project in SAP. What is implementation project basically means? Implementation project basically means in this we have a two type again. One is a greenfield project, another is the brownfield project. So what is the meaning of this greenfield project? Basically, any company who is not working on any ERP software. Okay, so when they want to come to SAP or implement SAP, that is called greenfield project. Okay, and another is called brownfield project. What is brownfield project? A company is already working on ERP like Oracle, PeopleSoft, and other software. Okay, so when these companies come to SAP, it is called brownfield project. Okay, in a greenfield project, no, SAP will suggest the methodology. What is methodology? The way of designing the project to the customer. Okay, greenfield project means SAP will suggest a methodology here. Okay, so that will be using greenfield project. And in brownfield project, we don't do anything here. A company is already working on ERP like Oracle, PeopleSoft. So what we do, their data, what we have in their system, that we take from legacy system to SAP system. Okay, their data, what is there, no? That we take from the legacy system. Legacy system is what? Their company system which they are working on. Right, that is like for example Tally, Oracle, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, many softwares are there. There are many ERP softwares in our market. Correct. So what we do from the legacy system to SAP system, we transfer data with the help of these two tools. In SAP ECC, we have LSMW, which is called Legacy System Migration Workbench. And in S4 HANA, we have LTMC, which is called Legacy Migration Transfer Property Discount. Okay, so this will happen in a implementation. And when you come to the support, see, this is for first project. Okay, then comes support project. What is support project basically means? After implementation of greenfield project, after implementation of the project, this one. Okay, after implementation of the project, to support that, correct? To support that, we need someone, correct? So that time the company will hire support consultant. They will hire. Okay, after the implementation of greenfield project, this will be there. Like what will happen here? No, the company will sign the agreement with the consultant.
Sorry, can I speak?
Yeah. Yes. Please.
I want like company who is it is Ashish.
Yes. Companies.
So can you go back to the screen that you are
Yes.
sharing? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm asking is that the company that is not working, that is fine. I got it. The company is already working on ERP like
Correct.
Oracle, PeopleSoft. What is that?
So this part you want me to explain once again?
No, I get it that to upload data, they use ECC and S4 HANA. That is fine.
Correct.
On ERP like
Correct.
Oracle, PeopleSoft, what are they? They are third party application or what?
They are ERP software. They are
Okay.
the ERP software. When the company who are working on this software, when they want to come to SAP, then we don't do full greenfield project. We do it brown. We call it as a brownfield project, because what we do, their data, what is there in their Oracle or ERP software, that we transfer it to our system. Ready? So
Okay.
that this
Okay.
this is called legacy system.
Okay.
Okay.
Firstly, when they are uploading their data in Oracle or PeopleSoft, now they are replacing that and
To
transferring
SAP.
their data in ECC and S4 HANA. Okay.
Yes,
Got it.
exactly. Okay, we transfer the data from that system to our system, and we make some changes as per our company requirement, as per our standardization of SAP software. We make it changes. Got it? So that is called that implementation greenfield project. Clear? Got it?
Okay.
So that is
Got it.
why it's called as a, we do nothing here. Okay, already ERP is there. They have ERP. Only we transfer data. We make changes. Ready? If they don't have any ERP, then we should do starting from scratch everything. Starting from scratch means greenfield project. Ready? So once this is done, then comes a support project. Support project means what? After the project is implemented, implementation is done. To support that, we use a support project. Okay. In support project, a company will sign an agreement with the consultant. It is called SL. It is called service level agreement. Okay, why? Because the end user people raise the ticket. Like if they get any error, in the system, they will raise ticket like low, medium, high, something like that. If you get a low priority ticket, then it is solve it in a 6 to 15 days, and it depends upon the company. Whatever I have given here, company to company it will change. It is not fixed. Okay, I have taken here low, medium, high. It can be urgent, very urgent, extreme urgent. It can be priority 1, priority 2, priority 3. It can be anything. It can be level 1, level 2, level 3. It can be anything. The names can change. I'm just giving you an example how it will work. If the end user raises a ticket low level, you need to solve it in 6 to 15 days. Okay, that end user if he raise the error in the low ticket. If you raise the ticket at medium level, then you need to solve it in 24 hours to 4 days. Okay, and if end user raise a high level ticket, you need to solve in 2 hours to 4 hours. Ready? So this will happen at a time of support project.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, which type of error will arise, sir?
We'll be learning that in SAP. When we start our SAP, we'll be learning that. Okay.
Okay.
When our SAP training will start, that time we will be getting one error. What error? Like, see, when we customize the project here, correct? After customizing the project here, that project entries will pass here, correct? So when we pass the entry of that project, no, we get an error if something is wrong here. If the customization part is not done correctly, we will get error definitely under this. So that time we come back to here, we solve that error. Correct? So that we learn in our training part, the error means. Got it, Nisha?
Got it, sir.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So once the support project comes to end, then comes after that rollout project. So what is rollout project? Company has already implemented SAP Affine country India. In country India already they have implemented SAP in country India. Same company wants to implement do business in Germany. So what they do? They don't do full implementation. This full they don't do. So what they do? They will migrate the project which they are done in India. They will migrate to Germany. Correct, and they will do some changes. For example, I have listed some example here, like country India is already working on SAP, correct, and they want to go to Germany now. So what changes they will do? They will do language changes. In India we use language, here for English universal language they use D for German. Okay, currency INR they use a euro, it is called GBP. In tax configuration for India GST they follow German GST. Ready? So like that some things will change. This will happen at a time of rollout project. Clear? So then after the rollout project comes to end, the next project we have is upgrade project. Upgrade is not we can call migration project. What is migration project? Migration project means companies are moving from older version to newer version. Okay, the companies are coming from the older version to newer version. For example, in ECC, SAP has told that they will support ECC up to 2027. Okay, and they told that they'll support SAP S/4HANA 2020 up to 20 years of service. Okay, if you go to Google and check, you get exact details what I have mentioned here. Okay, because mostly in country India, many are working in ECC. Correct. You I think you already guys know that Indians have habit of utilizing the resource fully. Correct. In country India, many are working on ECC. If you go for the country like Canada, US, UK, and all those, they all are working on S/4HANA already. Okay, so when SAP has told that they support ECC, so after the 2027, all the companies should come to S/4HANA only. They don't have any option. Okay, because SAP will told that they'll stop service, but many customers are not ready to come to S/4HANA. Why? Because it will cost them more compared to ECC. Ready? Compared to ECC, it will cost them more. That is the reason the companies are not ready to come to S/4HANA. And SAP told that they'll stop the service of ECC, but if they stop the service, they will lose the revenue also. So they are telling their customers that to come to S/4HANA, it is better software, fast software, everything they're telling, but customers are not ready to listen. They are not ready to pay extra amount. Got it now? So that is the thing that is happening currently in the market. This one in the upgradation project, but we don't know. They can extend this up to 2020 2030 also. Why? Because many customers are not ready to come to S/4HANA. So SAP might extend to 2030. Yes. Anyone? Any
Uh,
doubts?
yeah.
Yes,
For
Ashish.
S4 HANA, as you tell us that S4 HANA, as what I understand, is that S4 HANA is basically a cloud version where we do not depend on a third party application for our storage of data for our
Yes.
company. And
Yes.
S4 HANA is a cloud based data where we can directly store our data to cloud and we can manage
Yes.
it
I told.
very easily from anywhere,
Yes. Yes. I
right?
told you that yesterday only. Yesterday only I told you. Right. On see ECC is a on premises. S/4HANA can be S/4HANA can be deployed on premises or on cloud also. Both options are available. Okay, but ECC only can be deployed on premises. Okay, And S4 HANA can be deployed on premises as well as on cloud, both. Ready? So we don't depend upon the hard disk drive anymore, because on cloud all data will get stored here. So that is why these companies are telling to come to the S4 HANA, not to the, but you know already, as I told you, correct? So we basically call in Indian that jaise chal raha hai chalne do. You heard about that name, correct? Exactly. So that is what is happening in country India market. People are not ready to come to the like S4 HANA company's customer, because they should pay extra for this cost. Correct. The top 100 Fortune companies already came to S4 HANA, but some companies are there where they're not ready to come to S4 HANA. SAP told that warning they are given 2027 they'll support up to next 5 years, they told. But if customers are not ready to move, then they'll extend it to 2030, because otherwise SAP will lose the revenue if they stop the service. So SAP is waiting. SAP is waiting maximum number of customer when they come to S4 HANA, they'll stop ECC like that. It will take more time, but it will take more time. Okay, so that is this upgradation project. Clear with you, Ashish? You have still any doubt?
No.
Clear? Okay. So after the upgradation project is done, the next we have this testing method. Testing method is done every weekly in a companies. Okay, or a monthly can call, monthly, weekly, yearly, depend upon the company. Okay, quarterly can quarterly, mid every mid 6 months, depend upon the company. And while going live, before going live, this all thing will be tested. So first testing we have a development unit testing. What development testing means? Done by developer. For any table programming changes, is there like any programming thing is required, done by developer. Development, it is called development testing. Security testing is called security testing. For example, how many users can have a high profile, low profile, medium profile, that is this. Integration testing, if model is working properly with the FI2MM, MMTSD, PPTHR, like integration, they will transfer and check if they are working properly or not. Parallel testing means company uses two systems, one for demo. They will check if project is working fine or not in that. Once the project is working fine in that, they'll transfer it to real-time server. That is a pallet testing. Then comes UAT, that is called user acceptance test. It is called. What is UAT? This is last actually. UAT will ensure system is working as per client requirement. Then they will go end user provider sign off. If end users are okay with the system, then they provide sign off. So these all things will be happening under the what you call testing method. Okay, 4 types of projects in SAP, and one is testing method. We don't count out a project, but some companies count them. So I hope everyone is clear with this. If anyone has a doubt, you can raise a query, you can ask. Okay, I assume that everyone is okay with this. Fine. Okay, then fine then guys. So today what we'll do, which is we are starting implementation project. I'll be training you on implementation project. That means from scratch I'll be creating my project today. Okay, so fine then, let us start with our first today. That is that is called as a creation of company start today. Okay, so what exactly is creation of company means, I'll tell you, and how do we create a company. Okay, so what is basically creation of company? Basically, where do we do this one? To do this, you should go for SAP. We will log into SAP. Okay, so once you log into SAP, you get a login screen like this. Then you click on log on here. So once you click on log on, the system gonna ask you client. Okay, then you should give your user ID and your password. Okay, you need to give your client user ID, password, and a language. So this is my client. I think you guys already have got the server access from Manika. Is that right? Have you guys received your server?
Yes, got it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Everyone has got it, right? Okay, that's nice then. So that is what you should use. Don't try to copy same what I'm trying, because my client is different, which I'm working. Okay, your client will differ. So now I'll give my client my user ID, my password, and a login language will be here for English. Okay, as you know that SAP supports up to 120 to 130 languages. Okay, if I give here English TM, then you can see when I enter everything will come in English. See, SAP Easy Access, see, accounting, logistics, office. If I want to use in German language, then I'll give German languages. German language is the code for German language is D. If I give D and enter, everything will come in, say, German language. Logistic they call. For financial accounting they call Rechnung Sphinx they call something. Okay. So maybe I think you guys also prefer English only because for exit they call ja. Huh? Chala ja. Yeah? So I'll use English. Okay. So we'll use the English language for training. Don't please ask me Hindi or your mother tongue language. That is not applicable. Like we want, you can create it. Okay, I'm telling you one thing. Any language you want in SAP system, you can write it. It will take. But all the sentence, all the words, all the things you should write in system. Okay, then system will take. Okay, but it will take a long process to write. So how many languages are there? You can use that much language. So now when I entered here, I got into one screen. This is called SAP Easy Access. This is called end user screen. Correct. Now I want to go to the functional screen. I'll go for tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO, execute project. This is where we go to the functional screen. I can double click on this. I get like IMG. I can also type this shortcut code directly here. Enter. Then click on SAP references IMG. This basically stands for implementation guide. IMG stands for implementation guide. So once I click on this, I will enter into the functional screen. So now we create a company, our first topic from this screen. Okay, so where do we go and create a company? To create a company, you should go for this here. You should open this. Below that, you need to go for your definition. See, if you click on this, if you enter on this, nothing will work. You need to click on this arrow here to open it. So go for enterprise structure, and then go for your definition, and then go for your financial accounting, and then go for your define companies. This is the path. Path is the way. Okay. So to execute this function, if you click on this, if you enter on this, nothing will work. Any step in implementation to execute this, you should click on this. There is one timer type icon is there. It is called IMG activity. If you just keep mouse on that, it is showing mouse cursor on that. This is called as a IMG activity. So if you click on this, then the defined company will come. See. Got it? Sure. And there is another one thing beside that, which is called IMG activity documentation. Okay, so see, many people ask me theoretical part of this defined company and all. Okay, I will tell them SAP has inbuilt designed its theoretical part. Okay, if you want theoretical part of defined company, can click on this box here. Can you see this? This is called IMG activity documentation. It is called. If you click on this, it will tell you what is the meaning of that. See, in this step, you create a company. Company is organization unit according which represents a business organization according to requirement of commercial laws in particular countries. Can you see? Full theory is available. So whatever theory you want, you can refer. But in my training, I prefer 90% practical, 10% theory. So we don't want theoretical. You can copy theoretical. You can go and read here. Because some people have a habit of reading books and all. Like many reading is there. If you have a habit of reading and all, then you can go here and get the meaning, everything. It is available in the inbuilt system in SAP only. Okay, now I'll go to practical. And I will create one company here. So what I'll do, I'll click on this. Then once I click on this, can you see many people have created many companies here. Correct? Different names they are given. Similarly, even I need to create a company, so click on a new entry. Okay, to create a company, what I should do, I need to click on new entries. So once I click on new entry, the system will ask me the companies here. Okay, so what company should I give? The company I should give here a 6-digit unique code, maximum 6-digit, minimum 1-digit, and this can be alphanumeric code. For example, I'll take now ATA data 46. Any number you can take. You can take anything like this also. Numbers also you can take. You can take alphanumeric, anything. I'll take TATA 66. Fine. Then to go for the next tab, you can press tab here. Tab for next, shift tab for reverse. You can use mouse also. Okay. The name of the company I'll put here, Tata. Fine. So name of the company I'll put here, Tata Group of Company. Name of company 2 is a parent company, I'll put as a Tata company. Fine. Search in street address, I'll take it as here, near Bangalore, Pune, near Delhi, near Noida. Okay, you can put like, you can put near Noida, sector 1. Okay, anything like this you can put. Okay, depend upon your address, you can put anything you want for practicing. For practicing purpose, whatever thing you want, you can take, doesn't matter. PO box, I'll take it as a Noida. Then postal code, I'll take pin code, any pin code. Okay, it should be up to 6-digit pin code. Anything you can take. Okay, don't think that you should give accurate. Okay, you can take anything for practicing. City, I'll take it as here as a Delhi. Country is there, it doesn't country, you can click on this box to click on box. Once you click on this, you'll be able to see how many countries are available in SAP systems here. Every country has a 2-digit unique code. Argentina AR, okay, and you can see Canada CA, okay, Cuba we have CO, Denmark we have, Germany we have D. Correct? Every country has a 2-digit unique code. So I will take now country IN for India. Correct? No, because Noida and Delhi belongs to India, right? Correct? It not belongs to Israel. Correct? No? Huh? India. Fine. And language key. Many languages are there. See. Every language has a code. Arabic, Danish, German, Greek, Indonesian, French. I use a language EN for English. Correct. Then you can see currencies. Many currencies are there. Click on this box and check currencies here. Every currency has a code. See. Okay. Koba peso, many are there. I will take the currency now. INR for Indian rupee. Which is called INR. So after giving this much of detail, click on enter. Enter and check. This code should be not be given. Correct? The unique code what you are maintaining. Now it is not given, so it is not showing me anything. If it is already given by someone, it is showing like this. For example, I think I already have created this one, not this. I think this one. If already it is created by some other people, because this code already have created in my earlier batch. It is showing me an entry already exists with the same key. That means system is telling me that you already have created that code. You cannot create again the same code. It's telling me. And it is showing the red signal. Maybe you guys have seen traffic signals. Okay, what traffic signals you have seen? Same we have in SAP. If you do wrong, it will tell you red signal. Stop. Okay. If you do correct, it is showing green, and any middle any confusion you had, it show yellow. I'll tell you that one later. So now I'll take TATA 66, which is available. Correct. So after giving this much of detail, what I should do now? This company I need to save to database file. I need to save this company to the database file. I need to save. To save that, you need to click on here, save. You can also press Ctrl S shortcut. Okay. So once you click on save, system will generate one box. Okay. This box is called as a customizing request. What is this? What is this box means? It is asking you where you want to save your SAP file. Correct. So for example, when you save any kind of Excel file, MS Word file, that time what you do, you tell where to save: desktop, D drive, C drive, E drive. Correct. The same way in SAP we have an inbuilt request will be there that there we save our file. So we can transfer the data from one SAP system to another SAP system. Correct? Just like you can transfer your MS Word format and everything from pen drive to laptop to other PC, just like that. So with the now what I'll do, I'll click on create. Okay, you need to create one request. I'll click on create, and what I'll do, I'll put a name here like Tata Groups. Right? I'll put like this name because I'm making the project of Tata Group company. Correct? I am making the project of Tata Group company, so I'll take here Tata Group basic setting, then I'll click on continue. So that will come here. Okay, now my data will go under this number. Okay, now click on continue. Okay, click on continue. So once I continue here, so wait, let me take like this. Tata Groups settings. What date or batch? I'll take Zipla. My reference I'm taking. You can take Tata Group basic setting. You can take. I'm just putting this for my reference, so I can see that later. Ready? Now I'll save it. See. So my all data will go under this one now. Now what I'll do, I'll click on continue. So once I click on continue, system will tell me data was saved in green signal. In green signal, data was saved. Correct. Now once the data is saved, then what you should do, you need to copy this company what you created, TATA66. This code, copy this code from here and maintain one Excel sheet like this, I would tell you. Okay, so I'll put here, this is for my reference. I'll put that TATA66. Should write heading as a company, write a heading as a company, that company write down here as a TATA66. Here. Okay, now to take back, can you just take back, exit, cancel. Take back, again take back. You can also press escape also. Escape also is available. Now again you want to go and edit that company which you created. You can go again define company, click on position and give that code. What is that code? TATA66 give here. Click on position, give that code again here and continue, the code has come. Now double click on this, you can edit it. See. Whatever you want, you can edit it. But company cannot be edited. Once it is created, it's over. This you cannot edit it. Now save this. So this is how we create a company. Okay, and why we create this company? Why we created a company? A company is a small organization unit in which individual financial statement can be drawn up according to relevant commercial law. A company can contain one or more company codes. Okay, you want to remove all the financial statement, that can be done from the company. Okay, so this is called company creation. Company creation is called group of company. Tata is a very big group of company, correct? No, Tata has a Tata Steel, Tata Manufacturing, Tata Telecommunication. Those are called as a company code there. So company code we created later. So I hope you guys got it, company creation perfectly. If any doubt with this, you can ask me.
Got it, sir.
Yes, got it, Nisha. How about Ajay, Ashish, Hafsa, Salma, Rajat?
Yes, sir, I got it. I'm getting my company.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so I want to know one thing, like the past trainer has taken these steps already or no?
No, sir.
No. Okay. I thought he has taken. That's the reason. Okay. So yeah. So see, this is defined company, and I'm telling you one thing. Don't do the SAP. See, I'm attending the class. Don't do it there. Okay. First you attend full class, understand and see recording and practice in SAP. Okay. Don't do simultaneously. You won't get it easily. Okay. So this is called defined company. What I created. So after defined company is done, the next topic what we have is the next session will go, that is called company code creation. Okay, so company code creation means basically what is company code creation? A company code is some unit for which a complete self-contained set of accounts can be drawn up. I'll create a company code. So where do we create a company code? We create it here. Okay, define company below. edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, you gotta go here to create a company code. Go here. So once you go here, then what you do? Double click on edit company code data. Double click on this. Then once you double click on that, then what you do? Click on a new entry. You're creating new company code, right? So click on new entry. So once you click on new entry, then it will ask you to provide the company codes. Okay, a company code can be given up to 4-digit code. Any code you want you can take, but maximum up to 4-digit. So I will take the company code as TAT60. I take a company as TAT66. I'll take similar to that TA66. I'll take. Right? Any code you can take, but 4-digit. I am taking like this. You can take whatever you want like this, but maximum up to 4-digit. I am taking just similar to my company. It will be easy for me to understand. So I'm taking TA66. Name of the company I'll put here. See, Tata Motors, Tata Steel. Correct. Tata has a different kind of subsidiary companies. Correct. Those subsidiaries companies we need to create. I'll take it as a Tata Steel Private Limited. I'll take. And city I'll take it as here Bangalore. Country India. Currency INR. Language EN for English. Correct. So this is my company code. Then what I should do? I need to click on your addresses after that. Yeah. So once I click on addresses here, now what I should do? I need to give the full address of the company code. Where this company code belongs to, where exactly the address of the company code, where it is located. So everything I should give here. So I'll take title as a doctor, Mr. Mrs. I'll take it as a company. I'll put here as a Tata. Okay. So I take it as here. Search in term is you can put as a Tata, just name. How you want to find that? Street address you can put near Bangalore. First space, any address you can put here. House number, any kind of 5-6 number digit code. Postal code you can take any kind of pin code, 6-digit pin code. City I'll take it as a Bangalore same. Ready? Country as a IN for India. And region code for particular state will come. Okay, region code has a 2-digit unique code will be there. You can see 6 for Goa, 5 for Goa, 6 for Gujarat, 7 for Haryana, 9 for Jammu Kashmir, 10 for Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh. See, every state has a code. When this will come, when you give country as a India here. If we change it to country US, see if I take US now see, I will get the region state code of all the US here. Alaska is here, Florida is there. Ready? Hawaii is there. See, different is here. See, Ohio is there. See. Can you see? Oh, different. So I take now country India. And what region code I should take here now? I take it Bangalore address, so I'll take it as a 10 for Karnataka. Clear? Then PO box I'll take it as a Bangalore. Postal code I'll take it as a pin code, and complete postal code keep it blank. Either 2 in 1 you should take. Okay. You should either give postal code or either you should give company postal code. Both of them you cannot get a time to. I'll take this only now. Then after that, telephone number I take here, any kind of telephone number, mobile number, fax number, email is required, Tata Steels @gmail.com. Standard communication method, I take it as an email. Correct? And this much is enough. Comments you can put something like thanks, not mandatory. Okay, this is not all mandatory. So we should give the full address of company code. Correct? So then what we do, we click on continue, copy and save. Enter again, see. Can you see again? Same as comes. Correct? Now again I can create a request. Again I can create a request, number will change again. Otherwise what you can do, you can put in this request only. There is no need to create a request one by one. You can put all in one table. Okay, for training server, you can put all in one. So now continue. So once you continue, system will show you data was. That means my company code got created, Tata Steel. Now what I'll do, I'll copy this code here. I'll go and just put it here. This is my company and this is my company code. Take back. Take back. Again, I want to go and check it. Again, I'll go to edit copy. I'll double click on edit company code data. Click on position and find the company code. What is the company code? TA66. Give here. I'll continue. See, company code has come. Now double click on this. You'll be able to edit this one. See. So this is called company code creation. First company creation, then company code creation. I hope everyone is clear with this. Anyone has a doubt with this, you can ask.
Company is a parent and then it having a different child, just like that. A company code is.
Yes, exactly. Correct. Means it belongs to the same company only, although. Okay. It belongs to same only. The only thing is the company code will differ because Tata Group of companies is only one. That is a registered legal entity. Correct. Tata Group of companies is a registered legal entity which is available. They have different kind of company code like Tata Steel, Tata Manufacturing, Tata Telecommunication. Those are called as a company code there of that group of company.
Okay.
And whatever report you remove it from the Tata Group of company only. If you want individual to individual company code level to find out that report you want to see, then you will go to company code level. And I'll tell you one thing, 90% of configuration will be done under company code only in SAP. Okay, 90% of configuration, 90% of entries, whatever are posted, they are done under company code level. We don't go to group of company directly. Correct? If for example, if something like you have purchased one Tata car, for example, correct? When you purchase one Tata car, if something service comes that something happens to that car, you don't directly go to the Ratan Tata and tell him that to repair the car. Correct, right? Getting no? So you go to the service center there, which Tata has it. It's a Tata motor. Correct? So that will be done from there. Right? So that is how it will work. Company and company code. Right, Ashish?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. So see, once the first step and second step is done, the next comes a third step, assign company code to companies. So what does assign company code to company means? See here, assign company code to companies. This is will assign it. So where it comes in SAP third step, it comes under here, assignment. Below definition, just now what you have done here. Just now what you have done this and this. Take one step back, take another step back, go to assignment next. Under that below financial accounting, assign company code to companies. Okay, so go here. Then what you do, click on a position. Click on position and find your company code. What company code you have created? What is my company code? My company code is TA66. This is my company code. Copy, give it here. Click on position, give the company code and click on continue. Company code has come here. See. Can you see? Take it. Now which company it belongs to? It belongs to TA66. Ready? Assign company code to companies. Here. Then click on save and okay. Ready? Why the assign is important? Why we do this assign company code to company? Why we do? Because this group of company belongs to this company code. This company code belongs to this company only. And you can assign multiple company code to the one company also. Okay. Otherwise, you can tell one company can be assigned to multiple company code also. Correct. See, Tata group of company may have Tata Motor, Tata Steel, Tata Technologies, anything they can have. Right now. So now I am doing one company. Assign company code to company one I am doing, but one company can be assigned to multiple company code can be done. It is possible. Okay. See, for example, like this, Wipro 5, Wipro 2 as taken. Correct. So like that also one company can be assigned to multiple companies. same. These all company will belong to one company also. But don't do that. I'm just showing you. Okay. So I'm just showing you because some other people have created that one. Some other people or some other user have created that one. So don't change there whatever they have created. So that also you can do. But now one company code can be assigned to one company. You can do it. So this is called assign company code to company. It is just like you joined a training on Ziblearn, correct? Zeblearn or Ziblearn, I don't know the institute name exactly. So there you joined it, correct? And I'm a trainer. So unless until the institute don't assign you with me, how a training will start, correct? Unless until they assign you with me, correct? When they assign you with me, then your training will start. That means they are assigning you with me for our training will start. That is called assign. Correct? So that is why you need to assign company code to company. Yes, clear everyone? Anyone has a doubt with this? I assume it is clear everyone? Yes?
Clear, sir.
Clear with you? Okay. Okay, then fine. So after this step is completed, assign company code to company, I will take another one last session, business area. I'll take this one. So what you can do, you can practice all together this until here. Okay, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, so next I'll tell you now business area. So what is business area? It is called branches of the company. Like you can call not branches, you can tell geo branches you can call. Like the company is doing the business geographically. South zone, north zone, correct, west zone, east zone, correct. So that is called business area. So where do we create that one? Take it back, take it back. So that we create under definition, under that financial accounting, define business area we create here. Okay, come back to same definition, come back to same financial accounting, under that define business area. What a go here. So this is where we create our business area. So once you go to define business area, then what to do? Click on a new entry and create here one or two business area. How many you want to can create? I'll create two business area. Similar to my company code. My company code was TA66. I'll take like TA6 my company code. I'll take like TA6. N means I'll take North Zone business area. I'll take TA6. Yes, I'll take South Zone business area. Right? I am creating here two business area. One is TA6N, the another is TA6S. I am taking N for North Zone business area and I am taking S for South Zone business area. Right? Anything you can take, doesn't matter. Copy this, save this. Save request, save it. Now copy this business area, go and put it here. Alright, simple is that. And see, and business area we don't create company code level. We create this at a client level. Client level means I'll tell you in future. I'll tell you what is client level means we don't assign this to the company code. Business area we cannot assign to the company code. So this is created at a client level, not a company code level. Okay, so that is same. That is this business area which we create. Done. So once this much is done, my business area is created. Done. 4 topics are done. So what you should do now? What you should do is how I have done for one company like this. Similarly, you just do it for 2 or 3. At least 3 you do it. Create 3 companies and create 3 company codes for them. Assign one by one and create business area for all the 3 companies. So this is your assignment. This is your assignment for today's class. So you have a class directly on Monday. Okay, Saturday, Sunday I'm not available. So Monday I'll be taking you the next class that is called fiscal year, which is called financial year of the company. It is called. Clear? Now I want to show you something. Now whatever I have created, I want to see them. Okay, whatever I have created, I want to see them. To see them, take it back, go for transaction code SE01 here. Okay, to see that whatever you have created, to see that, you can go to transaction code called as SE01. You can go here, enter SE01, then give your user ID, then click on display. So once you display, you will be able to see what I created is Zebulon is there. See, correct? Now open this. Again, customizing task, whatever I created, open this. See, I created the company code I created. See, I created business area. I created a defined company. I created assign company code to company. Now I want to check. See, if you click on the step, if you click on this, it will take you to that step. Now I want to check what company code I have created. Click here on this plus and click here view maintenance. Open this. See, I created company code as a TA66. Okay, 000 is my client. For you, it might come 800 something. For you people, it might come 800. For me, it is showing TA66. Clear? Correct? Now I created that only. And what is my company code? I create company what created? Company was something TA something was that TAT66. Right? TAT66. This is the client name 000. At a time of login, I had given this. Right? So everything we can check whatever we create in SAP. Correct? So that is the reason I told you put all data in one number in one transport request. So at the end you can check all the thing at once. So this is called the transport request. This is how we can check. Yes. So until here, I'll wind up the session today. We'll see you guys on the Monday. Yes. Any doubts or queries you want to raise? You can ask.
Sir, I have a doubt. Can we
Yes.
use a PPT
PPT you want mine, which I'm training you.
for just only story section?
No, you want this one.
Y-
This one you want, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just share it in a Skype chat here. Okay, I'll just share in Skype chat and do not share it with anyone. Okay, do not share it anyone. Okay, keep it with you. Do not share with anyone because I have made all the topics in that one. I'm sharing in a Skype chat. You can download from Skype chat. Okay, I already shared in Skype chat. So you can go and
All right.
download it.
All right.
Huh? Yeah, and do not share it with anyone. Keep it with yourself.
Sure, sir.
Yes. Yes. Any other doubts anyone has, guys? You can please go ahead and ask. So totally,
So,
yeah, Ashish, yes.
business area you will tell later, then everything is fine.
Business area, is. I didn't get.
I try to tell you that you told that business area you will tell us later. What is
So business area is actually client level. Client level means we don't assign that to any company. Okay,
yeah.
business area is just like they are like, for example, if a Tata group of companies doing business area in south zone, north zone, south zone, west zone. So end user what person does when he is passing the entry, he will take that business area where he is passing the entry. If he belongs to south
Okay.
zone, he will put that entry in a south zone. Okay,
Okay.
so
Got it.
yeah, that basically he will post entry there while posting entry because you are already end user, right, Ashish? So you maybe know better than that. You're working in SAP end user, right? So
Yes.
you will take the
Right.
business area on which zone you're posting entry,
Right.
right? So that is how it will work in a system. I'll tell you that in future. Still, we have in future. Yes,
Sir, I want
Ajay.
to ask
Yes.
one thing.
Yeah.
जो कंपनी पोस्टल कोड जो है वो क्या डालेंगे, मतलब वो मुझे वहाँ पे समझ नहीं आया था वो।
कंपनी पोस्टल कोड में आप कोई भी 6 डिजिट का पिन कोड डाल दो।
ओके, कोई भी पिन कोड चलता है?
कोई भी पिन कोड चलेगा, 6 डिजिट डाल दो, कुछ भी चलेगा, आपको कंपल्सरी नहीं है कि आपको वही डालना है। कोई भी 6 डिजिट पिन कोड डाल दो वहाँ पे। उसको बोलते हैं बेसिकली कंपनी पोस्टल कोड करके। कंपनी पोस्टल कोड मतलब आप पोस्टल कोड डालो, कंपनी पोस्टल कोड नहीं चाहिए। पोस्टल कोड रहता है 6 डिजिट। जब आप कंपनी को जब एडिट करते हो ना तब एक ही डालना है पोस्टल कोड, कंपनी पोस्टल कोड जरूरत नहीं है, 2 में से एक।
ठीक है सर, चलेगा। ओके,
Okay?
बिकॉज अब मैं
आप
ट्राई कर रहा था, सो उसने
अच्छा,
लिया नहीं था।
नहीं 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 नहीं, उसको कंपनी पोस्टल कोड को हटा दो, सिर्फ पोस्टल कोड नहीं डालो।
ठीक
ओके,
है,
दो,
ठीक,
वो
चलेगा।
दो में से एक ही लेगा, 2 में से एक ही लेगा, इधर पोस्टल कोड इधर कंपनी पोस्टल कोड।
ठीक है सर, चलेगा।
Sir, as you
यस,
told,
एनी
we
अदर?
have,
यस रजत।
sir, as you told, we have to, we have, मतलब हमारा जो होमवर्क है, we have to made 3 companies, so we have to
यस,
mandate to assign the business areas of all 3 companies company code.
you can do, see business area one, you can keep all the, both you can keep same for all three, otherwise you can create separate. For your practicing you can, I would suggest you to create at least 3, and you want you can create only one also, doesn't matter. But for your practicing I'm telling you at least
Okay,
create a 3 company code, assign those 3 and create 3 business area. Okay, if you want to practice more, it depends upon you, how much you want to practice, how much you want to put effort.
okay.
There is no restriction that you should do 3 or 4 or 5 or 1, or you can also do 1 also, but the more you practice the more you become perfect.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes, how about other people, Nisha, Hafsa and Salma? You guys are not, the girls are quiet, you're not asking any doubts?
No, got it, sir.
Got it?
Got it,
Once,
sir. No doubt.
once we practice, then we can ask doubts.
Okay, okay, that's nice. I hope the girls are intelligent in the batch. Okay, yeah, that's very nice then. Okay, so fine everyone. Then, chalo guys. Then see you guys on the Monday. So until Monday, practice everything and bring back your doubts. Even though if you get any doubt, you can share a screenshot in that like WhatsApp group which the Manic has created. Okay, if any doubt you have, you can share a screenshot while practicing. Okay, so chalo guys, thank you everyone. See you guys on the Monday. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, good night, sir. Great lecture,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you so much.